The best PS5 monitor has the potential to take your PlayStation 5 setup to new heights. The right specs can unlock the next-gen console's visual capabilities. And there are so many specs and factors to take into consideration that it can get a bit overwhelming. Worry not, because we did the heavy lifting. To help you in your search for the perfect console display, we've compiled a list of the best PS5 monitors below. Let's dive in. For those in the market for an exceptional deal, the Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q stands out as the top pick for a PS5 monitor, offering the best value in 2024. This Asus TUF model provides that securing a high-quality gaming monitor does not require breaking the bank. It boasts a 4K resolution, albeit with a 60 Hz refresh rate. While this might seem limiting, it's worth noting that the majority of PS5 games don't exceed 60 Hz, making this only a concern for those who also game on PC or use the performance mode in certain titles. Yet this minor detail shouldn't deter you from considering this monitor. What sets this monitor apart is its ability to cover 90% of the DCI P3 color gamut, ensuring vibrant color reproduction that rivals more expensive counterparts. The addition of Shadow Boost technology is another highlight, enhancing visibility in darker scenes without compromising on quality, a common issue with lesser monitors. Surprisingly, the Asus TUF also features HDR10 capability, a rare find in 4K monitors at this price range. Although it may not compete with high-end TVs, it's a welcome feature. The inclusion of AMD FreeSync enhances the gaming experience on the PS5, and the bonus of a 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription showcases the monitor's versatility beyond gaming. Its affordability does not compromise its performance, making it an excellent choice for both gaming and professional tasks. Gaming on this monitor, whether it's engaging in the latest action-packed titles or enjoying beloved console exclusives, is a delight. The visual clarity and motion sharpness elevate the gaming experience significantly. Considering the price, you simply can't beat this one. Up next, meet the benq mobiuz EX3210U, the #1 4K monitor for PS5 gaming in 2024. This monitor doesn't just impress with its specifications, it redefines what gamers can expect from their visual experience. This model excels in delivering crisp, ultra-high-definition visuals at a refresh rate of 144 Hz, coupled with an array of high dynamic range options that elevate gaming to new heights. Initially, its price tag might have seemed steep, but as it stands, the value it provides, particularly for PS5 enthusiasts, is undeniable. Beyond its impressive display capabilities, the monitor is equipped with tremolo speakers and an integrated microphone, enhancing the audio-visual gaming experience for both console and PC users. Its design features dual HDMI ports and a 4-port USB 3.0 hub, ensuring ample connectivity options. Aesthetically, the benq mobiuz EX3210U sets itself apart with its distinctive V-shaped stand and an RGB lit back panel, offering a touch of style without compromising on functionality. Despite not being the slimmest model on the market, its sleek build fits seamlessly into any gaming setup, with adjustable height and tilt features for optimal viewing comfort. One minor inconvenience might be the placement of its ports, tucked away under the rear, which could be tricky for those frequently switching inputs. Yet this monitor shines when it comes to performance, particularly with PS5 games. The traditional IPS panel surprisingly delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast, making visually rich games like Horizon Forbidden West come alive with detail and color intensity. The monitor's iHDR technology plays a crucial role here, significantly enhancing the gaming experience beyond standard dynamic range settings. All in all, the benq mobiuz EX3210U is an exceptional choice for gamers seeking to maximize their PS5 gaming experience. Good stuff. Introducing the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9, a standout choice for those seeking an unparalleled ultra-wide monitor experience in 2024. This beast of a display not only boasts a jaw-dropping 49-inch screen and a deeply immersive 1000R curvature, but also dazzles with its technical prowess. Featuring a refresh rate that soars up to 240 Hz and a response time as swift as 1 ms, it's engineered to deliver fluid, tear-free visuals courtesy of both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Pro support. The Odyssey Neo G9 doesn't just excel in gaming performance, it's a multitasking powerhouse, offering the equivalent workspace of dual monitors thanks to its expansive 32:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 5120 by 1440 pixels. This makes it an ideal tool for both hardcore gamers and productivity-focused users alike. This monitor shines brightly, literally, with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, making every scene pop with vibrancy and detail. Color fidelity is equally impressive, with coverage reaching 92% Adobe RGB and 95% DCI-P3, ensuring rich and accurate hues across a broad spectrum of content. The HDR capabilities further enhance this visual feast, delivering stark contrast and deep blacks that bring your favorite games and movies to life. Connectivity is robust, featuring two HDMI 2.1 ports that allow gamers to leverage the full potential of their PS5 consoles, ensuring a seamless and highly responsive gaming experience. Yet, it's worth noting that while the Odyssey Neo G9 offers an extraordinary field of view, PS5 games primarily cater to more traditional aspect ratios. However, PC gamers will find a treasure trove of titles optimized for the monitor's ultra-wide display, from the sweeping landscapes of Red Dead Redemption 2 to the intricate worlds of Death Stranding. Whether for gaming, work, or entertainment, it promises to transform any space into a visually stunning arena. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Securing the second spot as the top PS5 monitor in 2024 is the Sony inzone M9, a standout choice tailored for the next-gen console. This model's aesthetic seamlessly matches the PlayStation 5, offering more than just visual harmony. Its specs are a perfect match for the console's capabilities. Boasting a 4K resolution at a 144 Hz refresh rate, the inzone M9 not only meets the PS5's requirements, but exceeds them. This feature set also translates well to PC gaming, with G-Sync support ensuring smooth gameplay across various platforms. This monitor shines particularly bright for PlayStation enthusiasts, thanks to its dual HDMI 2.1 ports alongside a versatile selection of USB ports, including USB-B, USB-C, and 3 USB-A ports. Such comprehensive connectivity options promise an enhanced console gaming experience. Moreover, the accompanying software application simplifies customization, allowing users to effortlessly navigate through 5 distinct display models. The inzone M9's design, reminiscent of the PS5, contributes to its appeal, yet it's the monitor's functional design elements, like its adjustable tripod stand, that impress. Aesthetically, it sports a tasteful RGB strip on its back, adding a touch of flair without overwhelming the senses. This design achieves a fine balance between sophistication and understated elegance, appealing to a broad audience. Sony has infused the inzone M9 with features that resonate specifically with PS5 users, such as the automatic transition between cinema and game modes and the hassle-free optimization of HDR settings upon console startup. This integration eliminates the need for manual adjustments, a convenience that many gaming monitors lack. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. We're excited to crown the Dell Alienware AW3423DW as the best PS5 monitor of 2024, taking home the gold in our rankings. Alienware has once again made waves in the gaming world with its innovative ultra-wide monitor. The AW3423DW, a 34-inch quantum dot OLED marvel, boasts a resolution of 3440 by 1440, delivering breathtaking visuals. The clarity and detail it offers, combined with a smooth 175 Hz refresh rate, transform both gaming and movie watching into incredibly fluid experiences. But Alienware didn't just stop at high resolution and refresh rates. The monitor's 0.1 ms response time means that motion blur is virtually non-existent even in the most action-packed FPS games. The curved 1800R screen, alongside the quantum dot OLED technology, ensures vivid and accurate colors across an impressive 98.5% of the DCI P3 color spectrum. HDR content shines brightly with Alienware technology, which provides adaptive RGB lighting that synchronizes with your gameplay or movies for an immersive experience. The display strengths include infinite contrast ratios, deep blacks, a wide color range, instant pixel responses, and solid brightness levels. Although its 3440 by 1440 resolution at 175 Hz is perfect for PC gaming and creative work, it's worth noting that this setup is not fully compatible with console gaming due to the lack of 4K downscaling and ultra-wide support on consoles. Nonetheless, its superb motion handling makes it an ideal choice for fast-paced games, and the 34-inch curved display enhances immersion. In darker environments, the monitor's contrast capabilities truly shine, making it an excellent choice for nighttime gaming or movie sessions. Experiencing games like Metro Exodus on this monitor, with its rich contrast and detailed dark scenes, elevates the visual experience to new heights. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.